What's going on, guys? Are these 2-year-old Bose QC35s the best noise canceling headphones? I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Art here off the Dome Media Group. Let me first start out by saying, no, I'm not doing a review of my 2-year-old headphones. What I am doing is just answering questions that I get all the time. Are they hot? They look hot. Do they stink? They look like they stink. And I'm not going to get techie about the ins and the outs about how they work. There are enough videos out there for that. I'm here to dish the dirty little secrets about how these bad boys work in real life. Let's go. I bought these about 2 years ago because I was in the search for wireless noise canceling headphones. There are plenty of headphones that are wired to cancel, but there weren't any that were wireless. I'd gone through headphones after headphones after headphones and came to this conclusion. I hate cords. The price was somewhat intimidating.
There, I said choke yourself. Now lean forward and choke yourself.
And the hinges scared me because I hate moving parts. I thought they'd break. But after about 2 weeks of solid research, I made the purchase. Now let me say this, at over $300, these headphones were going to be used for everything. That includes listening to music, producing music, learning songs on the bass, making and taking phone calls, everything. So how'd they do? Let's start with the main reason I bought them, noise cancellation. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give them a 10. As for listening to music, making and taking calls in all environments, that's at airfields, airports, cars, studios, the noise cancellation was great. The only issue is that when you're actually on a phone call, there's no noise cancellation as it relates to the microphone.
Can you hear me now? Good.
So the person that you're talking to picks up all the background as normal. If Bose can apply the cancel ambient background noise to the microphone during a call, that would personally take my rating from a 10 to a 12. Next is the problem with the headphones powering on by themselves.
Shall we play a game?
Oh.
It's a real issue. Mine started doing it about a year ago, just outside the warranty period. Go figure. Now, they don't do it all the time, but when it does happen, it's annoying. My fix is setting the standby time to 5 minutes in the app on my phone. This shuts down the headphones after 5 minutes of no use. My other issues should be obvious. My ear cushions are worn out and need to be replaced. I just haven't done it yet. In Bose's defense, it took 2 years for them to get to this point. So to wrap these up, are these the best noise canceling headphones? In my opinion, for what it's worth, I say that since Bose pioneered the technology and is heavily used in the aviation community and more recently major sporting events, and for my personal use, yes, they are the best noise canceling headphones, and they can take a beating. Oh, by the way, mine are the Series 1 QC35s, which you've probably already figured out. The current model is the Series 2. The only difference between the Series 1 and Series 2 is that the Series 2 QC35 has a button on the left ear cup that connects to Google Assistant. And if you don't use Google Assistant, the buttons change the levels of your noise cancellation. Okay, that's it for me on this one. Are you considering picking up noise canceling headphones? If so, which ones? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. Peace.